Alright, babe, what we cooking today?
We are doing fried shrimp.
Fried shrimp. I'm gonna help you out. You're gonna walk me through this. So we got all our ingredients here.
Yep.
And some of this stuff we're gonna spice up our own way. Alright, so what's first?
Spice up the flour.
Okay, spice up the flour. We got the flour here. We got that right there. Let's see. We're gonna use Old Bay.
Yeah.
We're gonna use this Old Bay. Kind of heavy-handed. How much?
Doesn't matter.
Let's see.
Go.
I'm having technical difficulties already.
You might want to flip it because you can pour it in. Like open the other side. Yeah, there you go.
Alright, here we go. There we go.
But you're gonna put more in the breadcrumbs too, since you're doing that.
So I mix it up like that. Put that in there.
Or you're gonna use the whisk.
That's smart. That's smart. That's smart. I never claimed to be a chef. Whisk that in. Is that enough? That should be enough.
Well, you gotta get it through, like on the sides and stuff.
Alright, let's go a little more.
Yeah, that's
We're gonna see how this turn out. Stir
Just
that
a little,
up. Whisk that up, my bad.
Just
Salt.
a little bit, yeah.
We're gonna go with the pink Himalayan salt. Just a little bit.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. Alright, what's next?
Put some onion and garlic powder in there. Not a lot, about a tablespoon. You can eyeball it.
We're gonna eyeball a tablespoon of this garlic powder. That should be good.
Yeah.
Then we're gonna eyeball a little bit of this onion powder. See, I know what I'm doing.
Okay.
Just a little quick dinner for y'all out there if y'all want to try this. Not too expensive, don't take too long. All right, what's next?
All right, season up your breadcrumbs while you got the seasoning out.
We're gonna use the Old Bay again.
Yeah, but not as heavy-handed.
Go a little bit of the Old Bay. All right there. A little,
A little bit more. Yeah, that's good.
So what's that? About a teaspoon?
Yeah, about that.
About a teaspoon of Old Bay and your breadcrumbs. Gonna mix that up. See, I'm doing it again. Whisk it up. Whisk that on up.
Put some salt in that too.
Gonna put some salt in there.
Yeah.
A little bit more. It's classified as healthy meal because we're using pink Himalayan salt.
No.
Whisk that in. Is that good?
Yeah, that should be fine.
Okay. Do that like that. What's
Yeah.
next?
Go ahead and whisk the eggs
We're gonna
and add some hot sauce in there.
whisk the eggs on up.
Yeah,
Come on.
great. You're stirring that. There you go.
There we go. It's been a while. It's been a while. And plus, I don't eat eggs, so I'm not used to doing this unless I'm baking a cake or something. Like that.
When was the last time you baked a cake?
I don't know. I don't know. Alright, what's
Put
next?
some Franks in there.
Alright, this is the secret sauce. It's not secret sauce, but it's a secret ingredient. We're gonna use the Frank's original. How much? Maybe I could have took the top off, but it's too late.
Yeah. That's alright.
Alright.
Yeah, these are gonna be spicy.
Yeah, we're gonna be sweating eating these. Alright, whisk that on up in there.
Yep. Layer the spice.
And this is our wash. What do you call it? Egg wash. This is
Yeah.
gonna be our egg wash. So we're gonna do like a dip, dip, and dip. Alright, what's next?
Then you start dipping.
Then we start dipping. We got our
So-
lovely shrimp here.
Do your flour first. So put your flour in the first pot.
Should I do one at a time? See, I'm a man. I'll just take the whole thing.
Just do like a
A handful?
6. Yeah, yeah.
I'll do a
Small handful, like my hand's handful.
Oh, that's like one. Small. So we do that. Do that there. Do that like that. And this one.
Cover them all. Yeah.
Cover them. Just let them them in there like that. Oh, they're looking good already. And we're gonna pair these fried shrimp with just some French fries today. Doing something simple, nothing too crazy, nothing too fancy. This is just when you just want to do something quick because you're hungry and you don't want to go spend the money out in the street. So you just get all this stuff. Most of this stuff you probably already got around the house in the refrigerator or something. And if this come out bad, the camera gonna cut off and we're gonna leave and get something to eat. Couple more left. All right, so what we doing now? So you got your pot, but wait a minute, why did I say Instant Pot? Are we using the Instant Pot?
Yes, I got a multi-purpose pot. It comes with the Instant Pot Pro.
Oh, so you could just use this pot for anything.
Yeah.
Okay. So we got some vegetable oil in there. We got the thermometer in there, trying to wait for it to get up to what, about 350?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna go ahead with the frying. What's this thing right here?
That's to strain it out.
Oh, to just strain it out. Okay. That's cool. Where we at? Oh, we at 350 now.
Yep.
Time to get rolling.
Okay, we're only gonna do a few, so we'll test one.
We'll do a couple tests.
Yeah. Let that fry for a minute.
Oh, look at that sizzle. Let me see if I can zoom in on that sizzle. Yeah, look at that sizzle. So you want to do a test one first, so that way you don't ruin your whole handful of them, or your whole batch if something ain't right.
Right, and make sure you turn down your oil once it gets to heat, so that way it doesn't keep on heating.
Okay. Oh, look at there.
Okay. You want to test it first?
Yeah, first bite. Now mind y'all, this ain't nothing but some fried shrimp, but we added some extra little stuff to it. Technical difficulties, the whole shrimp came out of the breading. But it's really good. It all came separated, but it's real good. I was user error because I thought it was gonna be too hot.
So you was hesitant.
Yeah, I was hesitant. But it's really good. Now y'all don't have to do exactly what we did and put a lot of salt or put a lot of Old Bay. You can play around with it how you like it. You might want it. You might want it a little bit more bland. Some of y'all might want a little bit more Cajun. We're going in with the rest. Or at least, well, not the rest, but maybe a handful more. Scooping them out. Look at that, perfection. That's some fried shrimp right there, y'all. About how many you put in there at one time?
About 5, 6, maybe.
About 5 or 6.
Yeah, so it doesn't overcrowd.
So you gotta regulate your temperature because as you fry the shrimp,
it'll drop.
It'll drop a little bit. So you just gotta play with your stove. But some of y'all probably got a deep fryer. We ain't got no deep fryer. So if you got a deep fryer,
we don't have counter space.
Yeah, you can just set that dial on your deep fryer and you'll be good. I'm just glad they turned out good. Threw some French fries in there too, y'all. We put them in the toaster oven, in the air fryer. They should be done in about another minute. We're gonna put all the ingredients we used down in the description, but y'all can modulate it or change it up however y'all want to when y'all do this. The last few, oh, those look like the best ones yet. Look at that. It's the final finished product, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. I know y'all mouth watering. Y'all know what I gotta put on mine. Put a little extra of this on there. Well, that's it, guys. Homemade fried shrimp by the fake chefs over here. Now all y'all need to do is go try this for yourself. And don't forget to comment, like, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the subscribe button while you're down there. It'll be greatly appreciated. Until next time, guys. Peace.